So about a week or two ago, I did a what's in my phone video. Still think it's one of the most boring topics to make a video on. But this is what's in my bag. Still pointless, but definitely more engaging and interesting of a topic to make a video on. Hope you enjoy. So the bag that I'm using right now is the Air Fit Pack 2, and I'll be honest, they sent it out to me, although this is not a paid promotion. But this is, if you remember my 6-year-old broken Nike backpack that I featured in my everyday carry video last year, this is a massive upgrade in basically every manner. So firstly, there are mainly 3 things in a backpack: looks, materials used, and space. And if I actually draw a Venn diagram for all these things, this one lies in the intersection of all the 3. It's got great looks, it's built really well, the zips are really robust, the material is polyester, it's water resistant, and it's cushioned at the rear, so it's very comfortable when you wear it. But the space it has and the way the access to it is engineered is my favorite part. So let's begin with the front zipper, which cuts open the front of the backpack. This is where I keep my laptop charger because the battery of my MacBook Pro is absolutely terrible. The next item is a recent addition, an umbrella, because it's been raining like crazy these days. And sometimes I even like to take a water bottle with me. Although that's not gold, that's just copper. Then there's a tiny pocket at the top. It's mainly meant for quick access to handy items. That's where I keep a wide lens from Rhino Shield, which actually hooks onto my phone because I use a Rhino Shield case. This is really convenient. I did a dedicated video on this. I'll leave it linked below. The next thing is an absolute must that I don't leave my house without, and it's my earphones, which are just some average House of Marley earphones with a dongle connected to them for the iPhone. Not the best sound quality, but super cheap and something that I've gotten used to. Lastly, there is some sort of mint, which as of now happens to be Polo, but honestly I'm a bigger fan of chewing gum, so I usually go for Orbit. But this is fine too. Now at the rear comes the main compartment, which when unzipped reveals a lot of space. Firstly, there is the MacBook Pro, of course, the laptop that I use. This is the base 15-inch late 2016 MacBook Pro, and of course I also have a dongle for obvious reasons. The MacBook Pro, by the way, is easily the worst purchase I've ever made. I'll leave no chance of saying that. The keys have literally popped out, the performance isn't that great, the storage is too less, and the battery performs as if it's as tiny as the Palm phone. It sucks big time. I will not leave it linked below. But there's other stuff too. There is a notebook and a pen because I'm a student, last semester though, and I also have in other pockets a piece of paper and a hard disk because you never know. And that's mainly the entire backpack. But last but not the least, my favorite part that I've been waiting to share with you is the compartment at the bottom. So this might not seem very spacious, but it's actually meant to keep your shoes. And my shoes are of size 9, but they fit perfectly inside this. Although normally I don't put my shoes in my backpack, they almost always remain at my feet. So I use this to keep my camera whenever I'm traveling to shoot. My camera bag is just slightly smaller than the space inside, so it fits perfectly, and that is my favorite and the most convenient part of having this backpack. Oh, and in case you're wondering, my shoes, I actually ditched the Adidas Boost for these canvas style hush puppies, and they are less than half the price as those Boosts, but the most comfortable shoes that I've ever worn. I'll try to leave them linked below. But that's about it. That's the new bag and the stuff inside it. Huge thanks to Air for sending this out to me, and to you for watching this quick little video. Hope you enjoyed it. Take care.